Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I just want to wish you all a very happy Navratri, and also I'm here to show you how I created this festival look. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm taking my Neutrogena Water Boost Moisturizer and applying it on my face. I'm completely rubbing the moisturizer so that it completely sinks into my face. Now I'm taking a hair clip and tucking my hair back so that I can apply the foundation properly. Now I'm taking my Master Prime Maybelline to blur out the pores. Now I'm applying it around my nose, chin and under eye area and also on my forehead. I'm completely rubbing it so that it can smoothen out my skin. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'll be applying it all over my face. Now I'm putting my foundation in dots on my face. I'm just taking my PAC beauty blender and dabbing the foundation into my face. You should never drag the beauty blender, you should always dab it so that foundation sets beautifully because base is very important. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying it under my eye, around my chin, on my forehead and also on my jawline. It will help me to hide the dark areas of my face and also to brighten my under eye. I'm dabbing it with my beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Fit Me Maybelline loose powder to set my foundation and concealer. I'm applying it with my Miniso foundation and powder brush. I'm taking my beauty blender and baking my under eye. I'm just removing my excess powder from the face. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution HD Brow Definer and just filling out the gaps in my eyebrow. I'm applying it with a brush applicator and the Makeup Revolution Brow Definer is in powder form. I'm just doing the same on the other eyebrow. Now I'm taking a concealer and defining my eyebrow with the help of an angle brush. Now I'm taking a spoolie and brushing my eyebrow in the right direction. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty Eyeshadow Desert Dusk palette and I'm selecting Amber as my transition shade. Now I'm completely blending in the amber shade into my crease. I'm just building up the transition shade slowly and blending the eyeshadow so that there's no harsh line. I'm doing this same shade onto other eye and slowly building the transition shade. Now I'm taking a color named Saffron from my eyeshadow palette and just putting and tapping it at the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm taking shade Amethyst from my eyeshadow palette and just tapping it into the center of my eye. I'm just tapping the eyeshadow, not blending it. Now I'm taking my blending brush and blending the eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm taking the same transition shade and applying it on my lower lash line. I'm completely blending the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking Navratri from my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it in the center to create a hollow look. Now I'm taking shade Cashmere and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm also highlighting my brow bone. I'm just tapping the gold shade more in the hollow of my eye. Now I'm taking my Lakme eyeliner in liquid and applying the liner. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and defining my lashes. This is my favorite mascara. I just totally love it. Now I'm just setting my under eye and removing any fallouts. Now I'm taking my Fit Me blush in shade Rose and applying on the high point of my cheeks. You can always smile and define your high point and then apply it with a brush. I'm applying it on my nose and chin area as well and on my jawline. I'm taking my Maybelline Master Highlighter in shade Molten Rose Gold and applying it on my high points, on my nose, on my eyebrows and everywhere because there is nothing like too much highlighter. Now I'm taking my NYX liquid lipstick in shade Amsterdam and defining my lips. I hope you liked this look. Thanks for watching, guys.